we welcome all our distinguished guests. It is my pleasure to invite the Festival Director, Ms. Pratibha Prahlad, and committee members, Ms. Aruna Vasudev and Ms. Shanta Sarbjit Singh, to escort our honored guests to the stage for the inaugural ceremony. That is the lighting of the lamp with which we will inaugurate the festival.
I would like therefore to compliment Pratibha, her team, the organizers, for showing the commitment and the resilience to overcome many a challenge to organize this great festival.
It's a pleasure to be here to be able to inaugurate the festival. Before you get the impression this is a political rally, I want to say thank you for inviting me, and I don't want to come between you and wonderful performance ahead.
And I should thank the organizer of this festival, and definitely we will support this sort of initiatives between Iran and India.
The National Museum is actually very proud to have collaborated with the Delhi International Arts Festival for this wonderful, unique program.
Delhi International Arts Festival has been going on for some time, and it must be complimented for keeping up its efforts in different circumstances, and despite systemic difficulties in organizing anything. And especially this particular event has been done at a short notice, and it is all the more reason to be grateful for them to be doing this.
It's very important to popularize the culture of India, so this is a very good initiative.
सुंदर तरह से रावण विजय वो दिखाया है विथ संगीत.
The venue is also very nice. It's the first time I'm in the Craft Museum. It's a very good initiative.
I would like to see these programs very often, and I would come here like next year and the years to come.
Namaste. great experience watching it in the comforts of the auditorium.
अगर बचपन में मैंने वे कहानियां नहीं सुनी होती जो बहुत तर्कपूर्ण तो नहीं थी, लेकिन जिन कहानियों से पहली बार मैंने जाना कि इस दुनिया के भीतर अज्ञात तिलिस्मों से भरी हुई और आनंद से भरी हुई ऐसी दुनिया है जिसका आनंद कभी खत्म नहीं हो सकता।
Great opportunity to perform here because this is very great festival.
I'm very happy that I could come here and join like this.
Dances I have ever seen, especially because so many regions and so many tribes that I never seen before. I think it was wonderful. It was really beautiful.
A child of snow when I was a soul.
I think it's great that somebody is promoting these things. It's really important that these things go on, right? So yeah, it's a great initiative, definitely.
I would like to thank DIVE for bringing this program to our school. It's been a wonderful experience for me, for my teachers, for my children.
The energy they put in, it was amazing.
This was really unique.
ਚੰਨ ਚਾਨਣੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੱਜ ਹਰ ਪਾਸੇ ਸਿਫਤ ਮੁਟਿਆਰ ਦੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੈ ਟੌਰ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ।
दिल्ली आर्ट फेस्टिवल विच बड़ा ही फन कर रहे हैं, बड़े मस्ती आ रही है, सानू बड़े वधिया वधिया इन्हां दे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो रहे हैं।
जो डांस है, आर्ट है, म्यूजिक है, इट कंबाइंस इंडिया एंड हर स्टेट में सबसे कॉमन चीज है इट्स द बीट, द ड्रम बीट।
आज के प्रोग्राम जो यहाँ हम लोग अटेंड किया है, बहुत बढ़िया प्रोग्राम,
बहुत अच्छा आयोजन था, अच्छा लगा हमें।
दिल्ली आर्ट फेस्टिवल में पार्ट लेके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
It's very amazing. You know, we are getting a very good audience, and without much publicity and all, we are really people are coming, and you know, even the book fair is happening slightly far away from this venue this year, but still we are getting a very good audience. I'm very happy about it.
I love being here. It's the second time I've been here. I hope to come back again and again and again. I love it.
I've seen it for the first time, so
It was good.
the experience was very nice.
Money? Well, in none of the books have I ever read was ever mentioned that knights carried money in their pockets.
Today I am very happy to visit Delhi International Art Festivals. Really very happy.
It's an artist's dream to present their works amidst scholars, audience, art lovers and connoisseurs. And Delhi International Arts Festival is one such platform where you can see a lot of support from the sponsors, at the same time a lot of support for the artists by a huge turnout of the audience, and it's inspiring to an artist to perform before a wonderful audience.
This was a great occasion and a great opportunity for me.
Many more such activities where they can include school children, teachers, and individuals.
जब अलग अलग जगहों पर अलग अलग चीज़ें होती हैं तो उसका स्प्रेड आउट जिसको कहते हैं कि पूरे शहर में एक वाइब्रेशन क्रिएट करता है.
It's a nice festival. It's good to see such festivals happening in Delhi.
ये 7वां एडिशन है इस फेस्टिवल का और हर साल बड़े नायाब से आर्टिस्ट लेके आते हैं.
चाय पीते पीते मैं आपसे इंटरव्यू का यात्रा खर्च भी मांगने वाला हूँ. यानी उधार पहले वेतन से चुकता कर दूंगा. मेरे पास इतने रुपए नहीं कि मैं इंटरव्यू में जा सकूं. अगर इंटरव्यू में नहीं जाऊंगा तो सेलेक्ट नहीं होऊंगा. सेलेक्ट नहीं होऊंगा तो पहला वेतन नहीं मिलेगा. चलेगा?
अपने एक साहब आपका कपड़ा लेके जाओ. इस्त्री भी नहीं मारेगा. अभी पिछले काम में पेमेंट होना मांगता था.
मैं कपड़ा लाया ही नहीं.
काय को आया साहब?
गुड बाय करने.
The play was really very colorful and very entertaining.
मैं नहीं कहता कि ऐसा रंग दे, तेरी मर्जी पर हो जैसा रंग दे, तेरी मर्जी पर हो जैसा रंग दे. ऐसे वैसे रंग का कायल नहीं हरगिज़ हूँ मैं. ऐसे वैसे रंग का कायल नहीं हरगिज़ हूँ मैं. जिसमें कुछ तेरी झलक हो, मुझको वैसा रंग दे.
अजीज अहमद खान वारसी साहब पद्मश्री, उनको भी दिल्ली ने बड़ी मोहब्बत बड़ा प्यार दिया. हमारे पिताजी को भी और फिर अब हमें भी इतना प्यार मिल रहा है दिल्ली से, दिल्ली वालों से. दिल्ली तो हमारा दिल है समझिए.
सेवंथ दिल्ली इंटरनेशनल आर्ट फैसटिवल ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਬਾਦ ਦਿੰਦਾ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਉਣ ਦਾ ਮੌਕਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ, एक कहानियाँ सुनने का भी ते अपनी गल कहने का भी.
इस आर्ट फॉर्म के अंतर्गत साहित्य को भी जोड़ा जा रहा है, जो एक हमारे देश के लिए बड़े गर्व की बात है.
They are very good and awesome performance. I really appreciate the efforts made by Delhi International Art Festival.
Very good experience for us. The way they danced, it activated the crowd.
It's a very good platform and a very good initiative to integrate the various themes and various cultures of India.